In this video, I'm going to talk about body parts names and their attributes one by one.
The first and most important part, which I'll cover in this video, that is head. The uppermost part of the body, containing the brain, sensory organs, such as the eyes, ears, nose, and mouth, as well as the skull, which protects the brain.
Do you know about the body part face? The front part of the head, including the forehead, eyes, nose, mouth, and chin.
Do you know about mouth? The opening in the face used for eating, drinking, speaking, and breathing, containing the tongue, teeth, and salivary glands.
Do you know about eyes? Organs of sight, responsible for detecting light and converting it into electrochemical impulses in neurons. Do you know about ears? Organs of hearing and balance consisting of the outer ear, middle ear, and inner ear.
Next part is neck, the part of the body connecting the head to the torso, containing the cervical spine and various muscles, glands, and blood vessels.
The next part is nose, the organ responsible for the sense of smell and breathing, composed of nasal passages and olfactory receptors.
Do you know about shoulders? The area where the upper arm bone, humerus, connects with the shoulder blade, scapula, and collarbone, clavicle, providing mobility to the arms.
Do you know about chest? The area of the body between the neck and the abdomen, containing the heart, lungs, and other vital organs, protected by the rib cage.
Next part is hands. The distal part of the arm, including the palm, fingers, and thumb, used for grasping, manipulating objects, and sensing touch.
What are fingers? The digits of the hand, typically numbered from 1 to 5, each consisting of 3 phalanges, bones, except for the thumb, which has 2.
Do you know about elbows, the joint where the upper arm bone, humerus, meets the 2 bones of the forearm, radius and ulna, allowing for bending and straightening of the arm?
The next part is arms. The upper limbs of the body, extending from the shoulders to the hands, consisting of the upper arm, between shoulder and elbow, and the forearm, between elbow and wrist.
What is the meaning of abdomen? The area of the body between the chest and the pelvis, containing the digestive organs such as the stomach, liver, intestines, and reproductive organs.
What is back? The rear surface of the body, extending from the neck to the pelvis, consisting of the spine, vertebral column, muscles, and other structures.
What are legs? The lower limbs of the body extending from the pelvis to the feet, consisting of the thigh between hip and knee, and the leg between knee and ankle.
What are knees? The joints connecting the thighs to the legs, allowing for bending and straightening movements.
Do you know about ankles? The joints connecting the lower leg to the foot, allowing for movement such as dorsiflexion, lifting the foot, and plantar flexion, pointing the foot.
What is feet? The terminal part of the leg, consisting of the ankle, heel, arch, and toes, used for support, balance, and locomotion.
Do you know about thighs? The upper part of the leg between the hip and the knee, containing the femur, the longest and strongest bone in the body.
The last part is toes, the digits of the foot, typically numbered from 1 to 5, each consisting of 3 phalanges except for the big toe, which has 2.
What is spine? Also known as the vertebral column or backbone, it is a flexible column of bones, vertebrae, extending from the skull to the pelvis, providing support, protection, and flexibility to the body.
Do you know about pelvis? The bony structure at the base of the spine, connecting the spine to the lower limbs, containing and protecting the pelvic organs such as the bladder and reproductive organs.
What are calves? The back part of the lower leg between the knee and the ankle, consisting of muscles, tendons, and bones.
These are some of the major body parts and their names. And I hope this video was useful for you. Please subscribe this channel, make sure you don't miss a single video.